messing around. Calling all you freaks and nerds. You're just missing what you want. My brother's going down the drain. My sister's living the dream. But everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights? Hey, in the moment when the world went blind. But everything's alright. We don't give a damn this time. My daddy was a gambling man with no strategy. Who gives a shit about him anymore? Guess we never really settled the score. Half the town screaming out in vain. The other half is fake. But everybody's singing along. It's okay, we'll all soon be gone. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights? Hey, in the moment when the world went blind. But everything's alright. We don't give a damn this time. Everyone's a hypocrite. In this game we cannot win. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights? Hey, in the moment when the world went blind. But everything's alright. We don't give a damn this time.
Sydney, Australia.
Australia. Oh, it means Australia. Oh, it means Australia.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. That's good.
Sexy lady.
That's not Australian. And how about you? How you feeling? You're driving really fast, really crazy with your top hand. What's going on? You made the whole. Oh yeah, you can see your girlfriend in town. Did you enjoy today, man? Sure. Too much road. Yeah, too much road. You want some off-road, right? Something bumbling and something like rock and roll.
Did Media Man get drone of Motorbike?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's when we were riding out there.
Yeah.
The dinosaur bike today was crazy. One of the craziest things ever. And my man already come down, come up.
He passed me 4 times while I was walking up. Walking down, then passed me on the way back up.
Today, do you think I'm so fantastic? I mean, really surprised about today was thrilled. His birthday, sick man, and carry 4 bikes up today, let's go back. It's so crazy. And one moment, I'm not just him at all. Holly, I'm not just him on the bike at all, but today he's doing like Superman.
You've had a good time.
So cool, man.
You got the shit box now. No problem.
Okay, good job, sir. Enjoy the beer.
Talk to the mechanic gear lever.
Yeah.
Been right up.
Okay.